Management commitment, demonstrated commitment to FSMS development and implementation, clear food safety policy and established objectives, evidence of management review and continuous improvement. Food safety policy, policy appropriate to organization's role in food chain, communicated and implemented at all levels, periodically reviewed and updated as necessary. Planning and responsibility, measurable FSMS objectives with implementation plan. Defined responsibilities and authorities. Appointed food safety team with required knowledge. Internal communication, effective procedures to inform staff about FSMS issues, system for communicating FSMS changes to all relevant personnel, external communication, procedures for communication with suppliers, customers and authorities, evidence of effective external communication, emergency preparedness and response. Organizations must establish procedures to manage potential emergency situations and accidents that can impact food safety. Documented emergency procedures, regular testing and review of procedures, clear response protocols for food safety incidents. Hazard analysis and critical control points, established HACCP team, product descriptions and verified flow diagrams, documented hazard analysis, identified critical control points, CCPs, established critical limits, monitoring procedures, corrective actions and verification procedures, prerequisite programs, PRPs in place to ensure hygienic environment, regular review and updates of PRPs, adequate resources for implementation and maintenance, staff training and competency in food safety practices, identified and maintained infrastructure requirements. Product realization, procedures for product planning and development, system for ensuring traceability through all production stages, measures to prevent cross-contamination, validation, verification, and improvement, validation procedures to ensure effectiveness of control measures, system for monitoring and measuring FSMS performance, regular internal audits to assess compliance, documented corrective actions for nonconformities, procedures for control of nonconforming products, monitoring of corrective action effectiveness, document control, procedures for controlling FSMS documentation, regular review and updates of documentation, removal of obsolete documents from use, record control, maintained records demonstrating effective FSMS operation, records that are legible, identifiable, and retrievable, secure storage and retention of critical records, internal audits, planned and conducted audits to ensure FSMS conformity, documented and communicated audit results, follow-up on audit findings. Preparation, install and configure eAuditor app with ISO 22000 checklist. Customize checklist to your organization's needs. Review checklist items and ensure device is ready. Conduct inspection. Log in and select inspection type. Complete all checklist sections: FSMS, leadership, planning, support, operations, performance, improvement. Document findings with notes and photos. Finalize and follow up. Review data and generate detailed inspection report. Submit report to relevant personnel. Develop action plan for addressing issues, track corrective actions, and schedule re-inspections. Why use eAuditor for ISO 22000 compliance? Streamlined inspection process with customizable checklists, real-time documentation with photo evidence capabilities, automated report generation for faster compliance reporting, efficient tracking of corrective actions and follow-ups, comprehensive record keeping for audit trails and regulatory compliance, enhanced data analysis for continuous improvement,